Number 4, self-love. Oscar Wilde once said, "To love oneself is the beginning of a lifelong romance." And if you don't love yourself, please don't expect any other one that he or she will give you love in return. Remember, self-love is not about arrogance or selfishness. It's about recognizing your strengths, forgiving yourself in your mistakes, and celebrating your unique beauty inside you. When you truly love yourself, only then you can experience and give it to the society, give it to the world. And if person himself don't understand the real meaning of love, how could he give love to others? Isn't it the real meaning of glow up? To love yourself, to give other people respect, and to be a better citizen in this world. Number 2, forgiveness and let go. Buddha writes said, holding on to an anger is like grasping a hot coal with your hand with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who get burned first. You are the one who get burned first, my friend. The anger will not damage the other person first, it will damage you first. It will make you corrupt and it will make your consciousness worthless. My friend, don't forget to forgive even your enemies, because until and unless you can't forgive anyone, you can't make your heart lighter. The moment you forgive any of the person, the moment you earn the greatest wealth in this universe, and that wealth is peace, my friend. Peace. Peace is the greatest wealth in this universe. And when you get peace, you will get new ideas to make yourself better, to make yourself even more better than yesterday. So how it will not contribute to your glow up journey? Think about it. And the next thing is let go. Let go means cleaning up the clutter and making room for the things that really matters, that really give you inner happiness, so that you can become best version of yourself. You can love yourself. After that, you can let go. The person who wants to go from your life, please, my friend, let go him or her. You cannot forcefully keep him or her in your life. Just let go and just enjoy this peaceful journey, this peaceful mindset, and improve yourself every single day. The glow will automatically reflect on your face. Number 3, nurture your body, mind, and spirit. Jim Rohn once said, take care of your body. It's the only place you live in, and it's the only place you have to live. Start treating your body with kindness. Fuel it with nourishing foods, whole foods, not junk foods. Move it with joy. Do regular amount of exercises with weights and practice strength training, and rest when needed. It is equally important as you care your mind. Fill it with positive thoughts. Don't spend your time with vampires, with energy drainers who drain your energy and bring back you down to that level. Number 4, reading. Reading is the most important habit among all of this thing. Reading gives you to get knowledge, to become better every single time you read the book, because you're not only reading, you are actually consuming and gaining all the years of experience that author had get to paper down that his thought. And Neil Gaiman said, a book is a dream that you hold in your hands. Book is full of dreams that other person in perspective to author had papered down his thoughts, so that you can gain all of his knowledge at once. reading make you even 100 times better if you read a book continuously, and if you read other books around different topics. It could be a self-help book, it could be a non-frictional book, and it could be a time management book. Any kind of book you read, but read non-frictional mainly. You can read 90% of the books non-frictional and 10% of the books frictional, so that you can make this habit a little more interesting about yourself. Don't forget to read, my friends. Number 5, stop copying. Stop copying to others. Stop mimicking others. When you stop imitating others and start following your own journey, you become limitless, my friend. You become limitless. Ralph Waldo once said, to be yourself in the world that constantly making and trying you to make someone else is the greatest accomplishment. When you stop copying, you open the doors of creativity, desire, and strength. God have crafted you with experience, perfection, and a unique talent, my friend. You are the gift of God. And if you are mimicking others, you are doing mimicking, you are copying others, you are actually disrespecting the God who has created you. He has created you with a unique talent. Instead of measuring your worth by standards of others, cherish your own way of being personal insights that make you who you are. Number 6, have faith in God, because it is the highest form of belief you can ever have. This gives you the power to believe an entity that is invisible to you, but you still have faith that someone in this universe who has created me don't want me to lose, don't want me to struggle. In the short term, I might struggle, I might get loose, and I might get lost, but in the long term, I will win. Courier Ten Bu has once said, never afraid to trust an unknown future to a known God. Always trust God. I don't know which religion you are following, but any of the religion, every religion in this world give you the power to believe. Believe in what? Believe in some kind of entity who is invisible, who is with you every single time, who want you to grow. Number 7, practice gratitude daily. Practice gratitude daily. Don't take your life for granted. I know many of the people take their life for granted and waste their time most of the time. But your life is not for granted, it's gifted. Your life is gift of God. In the screen in which you are seeing this video, that is gifted. Now some people will say that I have earned this television, I have owned this home, I have owned this. You are not owned, brother. You have gifted the knowledge in which you have owned this. So the knowledge is gifted you. Everything is connected with luck. Every single thing. You are here watching this video is connected with luck. So don't get your ego take you. Let the gratitude take away your ego. Practice gratitude every single day. And how you can practice this? Before going to bed, just ask one question. Just ask one question and paper down that answer. And the question is, what are the 3 most important things that happened today which I'm most grateful for? 3 things which you are most grateful for today. Just answer this question and you will feel very relaxed and your ego will get destroyed after it. And the person who don't get stopped by the ego is the person who is unstoppable and limitless. As Cinero once said, gratitude is not only the greatest virtue, but it is the parent of others. Such a deep quote, right? So choose gratitude. Don't choose ego, and don't choose that stupid attitude which keep yourself down. That's it, guys. And you must thinking that this video is for glow up, right? But why I am telling this self-help stuff? Because this stuff will give you real glow up. Not the facial fake glow up. This glow up is for your spirit. And when your spirit glows, it will leave the gradient of glow in your skin. So your spirit is directly connected with your skin then. So don't forget to glow up your spirit first, then your mind, then your body. Glow up is just a byproduct of that. Remember, you are great, you are powerful until and unless you use your full power and you respect others, and respect others before you respect yourself. Don't forget to love yourself, my friend. Be passionate, be unbelievable. My name is Sachdev Sonkar and I'm signing off. Remember one thing: stop comparing, start living.